I'm going to be showing you how to install Git on MacBook. So installing Git on MacBook is pretty straightforward, so we can just do that. We have a lot of options depending on your preference. So the first thing you can do is to install Git via Xcode Command Line Tools, which is really easy. All you need to do is open your terminal. So you can find your terminal down at the Launchpad. Just go on Others right here, and Terminal is right there. Just go ahead and open it, and you just need to type in Git in your terminal. If you cannot download it through there, then what you can do, the second option is to just install Git from the official installer. Just go to the Git website, it's right there. After you're here, you have this option right here that says download for Mac. Let's go ahead and tap here. So it'll tell you to install Homebrew if you don't already have it, or MacBoards. You also have Xcode binary installer. So you can try installing Homebrew and then download Git, which is really easy. This was the third option. You just tap on Homebrew right here and install Homebrew, and through Homebrew you can successfully install Git in your MacBook. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.